This video will explain how to Microalbuminuria Rapid Test at home. A Microalbuminuria Rapid Test is a urine test that detects small amounts of albumin, a protein that can leak into your urine when your kidneys are damaged. Before you start, please read test procedure, how to use the test, and interpretation of the results. Before performing the test, allow the test cup to equilibrate to room temperature, 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. The test can be used by women or men, but for women, the test should not be performed during or for 3 days after your menstrual period. The test kit include test strip, color chart, and instruction. Collect urine specimen by a disposable clean, dry plastic cup. Remove the test strip from the pouch. Keep the arrow pointing downwards. Dip the test strip in the urine till max line, at least 10-15 seconds. Don't pass max line. Take the test strip out of the urine specimen and place it on a flat surface. Wait for the colored line to appear. Read the result as 3 to 5 minutes. It's going to be a positive results for microalbuminuria test. The albumin in your urine more than 20 milligrams per liter.